hammered by the wind as often here at Cyclopark, so it's going to be tough getting around here today. Don't think we're going to see too much in the way of jumping today. We don't want anyone getting hurt today.
Moto number 1 for the 9-year-olds. We've got Brandon Champion out there for Nightwood. Harry McCann for here at TNT.
Leo Kelly Holsworth for the Hawks. Joshua Cates riding from outside the region. Hackney Sasha de Souza. Max Davis of Greenwich and Casey Markley out of Nightwood. Joe goes down with racing. Good luck, your favourites. There we go. Looks like going into turn number 1, Casey Markley's going with them as well. Trying to get the high-low in there on number 1, but it's Cates out there in front. Markley's there in the 2. The Caesar in 3, 298 in 4. That's Max Davis now moving up in the career for Greenwich. We're into turn 2 now, and it looks like we're all okay. And it is the 51 of Harry McCann from right here at TNT with Casey Markley giving chase. Hold on the back of the straight now. Number 2 is already on the track. Hold on here from Casey Markley with one last effort to try and catch him. On the track, and it looks like Ryder Joyce has got the lead in this one. Is there in the 2 spot. Then it's Brandon Harvard-Taylor there for Bournemouth. That neck and neck down the 3rd straight, 10 and 80. Now they're in front. Keely leading Joyce. With Taylor now trying to join in as well in that battle for the lead. So coming down the final straight now, and Joseph Perry has got this one all sewn up. Ryder Joyce seems to have gone wrong there, and that is letting Taylor there for the 2nd. Ryder Joyce trying to hang on for the 3rd. And it's Joseph Wainwright for TNT out there in front on the 969 plate. Already into the 3rd straight. 28 is there in 2nd. Josh DeCrees. And it is 33 and 103. Aston Chapman and Sydney Hatton. So it's Joseph Wainwright still out there in front, trying to hold on from Josh DeCrees. These 2 are a long way through. Yes, here comes Seth DeCrees now. 4 on the inside, and it's more from the 9-year-olds. This is Oscar Simpson in there for Gospel. So Simpson it is out there in front. 22, Rossi O'Brien, another one of the TNT riders in there. In that 2 spot, 4.57 Ben Davey. He isn't far away either there for Merton Saints. And we're heading down the final straight now, and 22 on the plate. Looks like Rossi O'Brien is got in front here. Another one for the girls to sort out on the line again. Rudy Acorn there for Bristol has gone out there in front, getting some track time before the National, and he's out there in front. Acorn then you lead on. Milan Masashek there is in 2nd, 118 in 3rd, Hayden Andress, and then the 78 Hugh Kent. Kai Kent there of Runnymede Rockets. It's Cruiser now on the track. It looks like Connor Hedges has got the lead in this one going into turn number 1. Hedges is out there in front. Just pick out the riders there, he's giving chase there in the 2. It's the number 68 plate of Josh the Beast Marmon there for Hurlston. In there in the 2 spot. 29, I think that is in 3. And it's Hedges from Marmon, and then it is the 10 of Tommy Healy next. Nathan McCray in there, Pope Whittaker, Zach Rennie Todd, Megan Dooley, Larry Webb and Toby Maynard. And coming back to Wolseley now, and it is Megan Dooley out there in front. Showing the boys the way. Nathan McCray is up there in 2. So 1-1-2 Megan leads. Nathan is there in the 2 spot. We'll pick out the rider there in the 3. That is the 324 of Theo Pope. He's trying to find a way up the inside there, but no, having the door shut firmly in his face at the minute by Nathan DePray. Open Cruiser riders now out on the track. I can see Darren O'Brien up the inside there, May. Just Harrington out there. That's coming back to Wolseley in the lead. It is the number 12. Showing the way. And that's Ben Thermal for Runnymede out there in front. 17 in 2nd, that's Darren O'Brien. And then it looks like 25 in third, that's Max Bragger. That's the 1, 2, 3 going into that final straight. So 12 it is out there in front. Ben Fairmore. Pulling through. Here comes Max Bragger there, doing the late finish. Northern Open cruising now. There's another of the retro racing boys out there in front. This is Ben Maynard leading the way. Out of turn number 2, Ben Maynard it is out there in front. Who we got there in the second spot? That is the 501 is out of John Tilton for Bournemouth. And then Lewis Lavender in there in the 3 spot for TNT. 29 your leader, that's Paul Terry. Paul Terry is your leader from, looks like Gary Will, that's the retro, is that? Yeah. He's there in the 2. Also James Pritchard there, just maybe losing out in that 3 spot, but out there in front, it's looking like Paul Terry going to hang on for the win here. Gary Willax in the 2. Happy rocket time now, 6 and unders. It's coming back towards me now, and it is 7-3-0 Carl Summerfield out there in front. Elsa Rendell top giving chase. Ralph Stepanov's in there as well, and also Edward Mack. We're coming down the third straight now. Carl leads the way. Carl Summerfield from in second place Alfred Rendell top. So the visiting rider Gabe Simpson has got off to a good side. This one on, another rider down on the first straight. Impressive that was, that out there in front, Gabe Simpson it is, out there leading the way, 256, Will Pickering is there in the 2. So Pickering there in the 2, James Trowbridge I can see battling out in third place with another rider going up his inside, that looks like Jack Davey. Big effort for some of these youngsters in these conditions to get around today. Zander Wright is out there in front in this one. This is moto number 16. Harrison Davis in there in the 2 spot. So Zander Maffra and White out there in front from in second spot. Looks like Harrison Davis, Zach Kennard and Charlie Granger, 3 and 4. 4-2-3 is Zander Wright. He's going to come across the line there for Coppin. And he takes the win. So in second place, Harrison Davis. Just the 4 girls, the 7 and 8 year olds. This is moto number 17 now. And it's 061 Thea Dana out there in front. 803 Lucy Simpson. And the other young ladies are rallying out for third. That's Amelia Ward and Grace Dodd. Thea Dana taking the win. Lucy Simpson's going to get the 2. And it's Lucy Hart out there in front in this one. Doing it for the hooks, and she's a long way clear of Lee Saxon. And Leo Kirkman's in there in the 3rd spot. Also Ollie O'Brien is there in the 4, but showing the boys here how it's done. It's Emily, Lucy Hart even. And, she's going to take the win. Reece Saxon holding on for the 2 spot for now. Oh, Ollie O'Brien all over the place. Already the 8-year-olds in moto number 19 are away. And it's the E7 of Arthur Harrington out in front. 644 Otis Miller is next. It looks like Miles Gudgeon in there, and there's a wall of riders now trying to go after that 2nd spot. It looks like Arthur Harrington is safe unless something goes dramatically wrong. It's Harrington, he's going to take the win. Lorenz, Pistol Patton out there in front. Doing it for Peckham, out there leading the way. From in that 2 spice, the number 10 player, Lucas Ellis. So Lorenz and Lucas now trying to go wide on the outside to cut round Lorenz, and it's Lucas Ellis now, your new leader, going into the final straight. He's pulling away here. It's Lucas Ellis down the final straight, across the line. Lorenz Pat.
Girls burning.
Sorry about that, everyone. We're now running on Duracells. So if these don't work, nothing will. This is motor number 39. There's Chloe Long from Merton, goes into the pole position in there, into turn number 1. Sydney Whitley moving through now, and it's Sydney Whitley. Sorry, Amy Willox, I should say, out there in front. Chloe Long is there in the 2. And then the 099 of Willow Kirkman. Toby Harris is leading them out here in moto number 40. The 14-year-olds now on the track. Harris leads. From Kevin Sharp there in the 2 spot.
4 in the line going into the last turn. This could be interesting. Finding out for that 3.
Tell him. Girlie, foo with
Okay, move from the 14-year-olds now. Moto number 41 this afternoon. 5.81 your leader, Jason Bailey. 6.57 is next, Max Henderson. And down the final straight, it is Jason Bailey now being joined by Max Henderson. It looks like Henderson is coming through to take the lead. 15-year-olds now are on the road, and it is Rossdale. For the Hawks, your leader. Being followed by Jordan Halsey Holton. It looks like Kurt Sunwayne. He's out in the 3. As we go now, Moto 45 to 16-year-olds, and there's the 11 Cody Evans out there in front. 42 Dylan McCauley Perry is next. Then we're looking at 322 Nathan Bernice. Reese Tosser leads them out in Moto 46. 16-year-olds now out on the track. Ryan Bodley in there in the 2 spot. William Bartlett in 3. 17-year-olds Tosser out there in front. Bodman in 2. It's going to be a Bournemouth 1-2, is it? William Savage goes in the 2, number 1, your leader. Fabian Shaw trying to come up on the inside there, 6-4-3, holding them off Josh Bradshaw. There's Savage out there in front, Bradshaw in 2, in 3. That looks like Oliver Webley getting ahead of Fabian Shaw. They've all got to catch Whitney Savage. Whitney Savage now getting that final straight, looking smooth. And he looks like he's going to take the win here. And it's going to be close for second. 29-year-olds wants to go out on the track. Also snapping this one. Here it is, the number 48 and the number 6. That is Aaron Massey and Joshua Wallace. And it looks like Big Daddy Flakes are 1 and 2 here. It is Wallace out there in front from Massey in the 2. Thermal's there in the 3 for Scalper as they go down the final straight. Now Thermal's now got into 2 spot. Can he catch Wallace? It doesn't look like he was going to make it. There we go now, reverse 80 Martin in there. In that 2 spot, but out there in front, it is the 3-3-9 of Christian Cook. Christian Cook is your leader from in 2nd place. There's 80 Martin. Neil Stewart is up in the 3rd, and then we've got Stuart Catford in 4. And then the 1-2-8 Kevin Ransom in 5. They're going down that final straight now. 3-3-9, 50-inch leader. Stewart comes through to take the 2nd. 80 Martin heads now on the track. 2nd man of these guys is on Martin Parker. He's out there in front. Also in there with Tony Phillips and he's up there into the 2. Jason King there in 3, 2.5, 13 in 4. He's trying to move up places. But as they go into the final straight, Parker is out there in front. Pittman in 2, Hughes in 3, King in 4. Ladies Troopers on the track, Ricky Spears leads them out. On the 4 plate. Let's try to pick that rider out there in the 2. That is 216 Nicola Kennard. Ronnie Darwell's in there as well. Look how Kelly McKay is in there. In the 4 spot, Sue Farahone picking off places from the back, but as they come down the final straight, Ronnie Darwell now moves into the 2nd. But they've all got to catch Nikki Spears. And across the line, Nikki Spears, Rennie Darwell, Sue Farahone up in the 3rd. Payback now, first moto for these guys is Skidmore out there in front. Tian Isidore going with him now. It's Dom Skidmore. Here goes Isidore around the outside. Skidmore there still battling hard. And then we've got Josh Buxton. God, it looks like Tian Isidore is here. Skidmore coming back. regional playback again, and it is the Campbell out there in front this time around. Baxter's there in the 2. And then it looks like Kai White going there in 3. There's one more straight to go, and it's Campbell out there in front. Campbell is Ron Baxter. And then Kai White getting the 3. Now here comes the 48k Aaron Massey. Massey now leading there. Savage there going with him. Out the inside. Savage leads now. It's O'Brien out there in front. Pinnock in 2. Dalton Bidet has now moved in there. He's now up in the 2. Adam Bidet's now up in the 3. They're both going after O'Brien. Gary O'Brien out there in front. Dalton Bidet looks like the only one who's going to catch him, but O'Brien holds on. Dalton's down the track. Martin Parker out there in front. Tony Phillips Clinton trying to jump on a day like this. Totally outrageous. Neil Steele's out in this one, and he's out there in front. Aidy Martin now in the 2 spot. And Jason King. Craig Gibbs has somehow found some room up the inside of Neil Stewart. They have taken the lead. Craig Gibbs is going to take it. Neil Stewart, Aidy Martin, Jason King. On the 2nd spot, looks like Reece Wood. And then the 19 there, Jordan Firmer. Will Smith, Arrow in front. Batson trying to go with him.